this is Same Create the Heart. I just kind of have these cards here just for something to look at. I just pulled the winners for my 33,000 subscriber giveaway. And I've already tagged those people in the comments at that video. So I'm going to announce the names, and if those people could go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com with their billing address, then I can get that out to you. It will be random. So the 4 prizes are in already sealed up and packaged, ready to go. And so all I'm going to do is print out labels and slap them on the bags. So it's going to be completely random what you get. I also plan on doing more giveaways. I used to do a lot more giveaways, but I haven't really done them in a while because my channel was kind of staying stagnant in terms of the amount of subscribers that I have. So I'm really looking to kind of grow my channel, 2023, 2024 is all about growing my channel. And so getting more subscribers and trying to be more interactive. And I know everyone's busy and it's hard, but I would love if you are watching this video, or if you're someone who has watched my videos, if you can subscribe. It really does help my channel out a lot. So the next giveaway will be either if I hit the next milestone, which would be 3,500 subscribers, or I'll probably do one around Thanksgiving, December-ish. Around that time, I'll do some sort of a giveaway, and that one will be open internationally as well. So I'm going to do an international one and a USA one. So that is that. Now, this stuff that you're seeing right here, this is Kendra's card sketches 1 through 15. I will have a video showing really quickly. I did a speed up video of how I made these 15 cards using the Not Too Shabby shop recent July subscription box. I happened to buy the box. I am a design team member, but I wasn't assigned the box, but I did love it, so I did buy it. And I am in the middle of killing this paper pad. So this kind of helped me do it, and I really love how these cards came out, but I will have a video on that as well. And there's an upcoming Not Too Shabby shop Christmas in July hop, which will be really, really fun. I know that I just posted a video on my embellishments on the 11th I don't think I used those embellishments in my project, so I'm gonna have to use those embellishments in a project this month. But I made all of these really cute kind of winter coffee cup cards. This is all my extra stuff that I can play with that I didn't use, but these are some of the things that I made, so you can see the cups. So I'm gonna make this. So people had messaged me about one of the stamp sets that I used. I think it was called Merry Mugs, and that one is retired. I did let Jamie know that someone had inquired about it, so who knows, it might come out again or something very similar. But a lot of these are still available. If you watch that video on her channel, the stamps are, I believe this one is, and I want to say this one is. The one that isn't, I think, is this one, the Merry Mugs. So that's upcoming. I'm making a card. I'm making 2 cards, actually. Shadowbox card and a slimline card using ephemera and the stamp sets. And so that's upcoming. And so I'm continuing to explore other things on my channel. I mostly do cards, but I also do mini albums. So I'd love to know what things you'd like to see on this channel. I mean, I just kind of make what kind of floats my boat. So that's kind of what I do. But anyway, thank you for watching. And let me go ahead and get into the winners. I almost forgot to do what I came here for, which is Diana, 90 Twins, Lisa Meltrud, Mindy Baldwin, and Roseanne's Happy Crafty Creations. So those 4 people are the winner, and today, it should post today, which is Monday the 17th, I believe. So you have until one whole week. So until next Monday, which I believe is the 24th. So when 8 a.m. the 24th, if I have not heard from you, then I'll pick another winner. So because I want to mail these prizes out. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you have a channel that you would like me to subscribe to, you can leave a comment, and I would love to go over and support your channel and grow your subscribers as well. So thank you very much.